Okay, so we're gonna take our hand benders. We're gonna bend this flat here, and we're gonna bend that a little flat there. Like this. And that way, let's get our end caps on a little easier. I'm gonna put the bottom in first, then the back, and then work the face on like this. Our end cap crimpers are right here. We're gonna use this side out, so the red handle out or the black squeeze part out. There, tap it in, make sure it's nice and tight. And there, and then on the front, we're gonna do one right in the middle. Good stuff that way. So I got the power caulking gun here, so I'm just gonna do this. And then I've got over here, I keep a bucket with some water in there, with some brushes. These are just acid brushes. I just cut them down so they're short. And then you can just spread this in here like this. This is not the best brush.